Are you a feminist? It sounds simple, but the answer isn't as straightforward as it seems. Feminism is about equality. But is it just for women? Or is it for everyone? What if the label doesn't fully capture the essence of what we are aiming for? Let's explore the relationship between feminism and egalitarianism and how this ties into the growth mindset. Feminism is often misunderstood as being just about women, but in reality, it's about gender equality, addressing the historical oppression of women, men, and non binary individuals. Feminism aims for equality for all genders. Egalitarianism, on the other hand, advocates for equality across gender, race, and all aspects of life. Both strive for the same goal, a fair, equal society for everyone. Feminism focuses on women because they have historically been the most oppressed in many societies. But the ultimate goal of feminism isn't to elevate women above others. It's about creating gender equality for everyone. If men had been historically oppressed in the same way, feminism would have fought for men's right too. Feminism works to correct those imbalances so that all genders can thrive. Understanding both feminism and egalitarianism helps challenge our fixed mindset. When we stop seeing equality as a competition between groups, we begin to see it as an opportunity for growth for everyone. Equality allows us to expand our understanding, embrace diversity, and create a society where everyone can reach their full potential. Feminism and egalitarianism both aim for equality, but feminism specifically addresses gender equality. Understanding these concepts broadens our perspective and encourages us to move beyond fixed mindset. So, are we ready to embrace equality for all? Now, think about this. Can we focus on equality for all genders, not just one? Does talking about gender equality help us to think about equality in other areas too? How can we make sure everyone, no matter their gender, race, or background, has the same opportunity? And I would love to hear from you. Comment below with your thoughts. Do you agree, disagree, or see it differently? And if there's a topic you think needs to be discussed more, let me know. Let's make a space for conversations that matter.